Hey guys, let's talk about the Dell laptop not charging, but it's plugged in. As you can see here, my laptop is plugged, right? And it's charging, right? If yours is not, there's a solution here. So let's try the first one. You just need to turn off your computer. So I'm coming here and shutting it down. And the idea here is just disconnect it from power and disconnect everything else that you have here. And you're gonna drain the electricity from the motherboard. Okay, so I'm just unplugging here. And now you're gonna press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. So I press and hold here and just let the computer boot up again. You see that the Dell laptop is going to show up here, but you keep pressing here. The Windows is going to load up as well, but you still keep pressing at least for 30 seconds so the computer can flash all the electricity from the motherboard, right? And that helps to solve the problem with the battery, okay? So if it doesn't work, there's another solution here that usually works. So now I will let it go. I'm pressing here about 30 seconds already. So let me just log into my computer now. I can just connect the cable back, log into my computer. There we go. And now if it's not charging yet, if you have problems, just come here, right click on the Windows button and look for Device Manager. Wait for it to load up and look for batteries. See here, batteries. Then you can just come here to Microsoft AC adapter, right click and uninstall device. Uninstall, just confirm, and also come here to Microsoft ACPI-Compatible Control Method Battery. Also right click and uninstall, right? So the idea here is just uninstall everything and then you restart your computer and Windows is going to install the drivers again. So I just right click here and I restart this time, not shutting down but restarting, and just wait for the computer comes back. In Windows, you take care of the installation of the new drivers one more time, right? There we go, the computer is restarting, so I just need to wait for the Windows to load up again. There we go, I'm back here at the Windows. Let me just right click here on the Windows button again and look for Device Manager. And take a look here if I see this back with the battery. There we go, it brought it back. I didn't do anything, Windows does this for me, okay? And now it should be working, it should be charging here. If you still see that's not charging, you need to check your power adapter, right? You can ask somebody to check for you if it's working, or you can use the multimeter like this one, for example, and you can check for yourself, okay? So here I have this multimeter, then I can check here for voltage. In this case, I'm measuring here continuous voltage. That's the symbol, see here, dash and dotted dash for the continuous voltage. And here I can put in this scale, 200 or 20 because the battery here is 19 volts, right? 20 is good and 200 is also good. And I should see here 19 volts or 19 dot something, right? So let me just grab the cable here, remove from here from the computer, and then here inside you see there's a pin. I need to reach this pin here with this probe, right? And put the other here on the outside and see if I get correctly. There we go, 19.3 volts, right? So it's basically working. So my power supply is good. Now I know that I can just connect here and it's supposed to work, right? Dell's computer used 19 volts for the power supply here, so my power supply is good. If yours is not, you need to replace it, right? So I hope this helps. I'll leave your comments here if that works for you, and also subscribe to this channel and leave your thumbs up. I see you in the next one.